Nuclear medicine. Nuclear medicine definition. Nuclear medicine is a medical specialty that uses a small amount of radioactive substance called radiopharmaceuticals to diagnose and treat disease. It is a different form other imaging techniques such as X-ray or MRIs because it is provide detailed information about how the body function at a molecular level rather than just its structure. Key components of nuclear medicine. Radiopharmaceuticals. These are radioactive compound administered to patient which can target specific organ, bone or tissues. Imaging once administered, the radiopharmaceuticals emit radiation that is detected by the specialized imaging equipment like gamma rays or PET, positron emission tomography scanners. This produce this produce image that provide information about the physical process in body. Therapeutics usage. A part of diagnosis, nuclear medicine is also used to treat disease, most notably cancer. For example, radioactive iodine is commonly used to treat thyroid. Diagnostic uses of nuclear medicine. Nuclear medicine is primarily used for the diagnosis purpose by visualizing physiology process rather than anatomical structure. The common diagnostic applications include oncology cancer. PET scan help detect help detect cancer, evaluate its separate metastasis and monitor treatment response. SPE SPECT scans can also be used to assess certain type of tumor. Cardiology, heart imaging, myocardial perfusion imaging evaluate blood flow to the heart muscle, especially to the detect coronary artery disease. Muga multigated acu- acquisition scan assess heart function by measuring the ejection fraction, helping in the diagnosis of heart failure. Neuro, neurology brain imaging. PET and SPCT scans can be used to evaluate tumor and diagnose conditions like LG, Alzheimer's, Alzheimer's disease, epilepsy, and Parkinson disease. Skeletal imaging, bone scans. Bone scan help identify abnormal like fracture, infection, or tumor which might not be visible on regular X-ray. Thyroid imaging. Radioactive iodine I-123 is used for imaging the thyroid gland to assess its functions, detect nodules, or evaluate thyroid cancer. Therapeutic application of nuclear medicine. Ap- Apart from diagnostic, nuclear medicine play a essential role of treating various diseases, especially cancer. Therapeutic nuclear medicine is based on the principle on delivering radioactive substance directly to the deceased tissue, minimizing damage to the surrounding healthy tissue. Safe and risk in nuclear medicine. Safety and risk in nuclear medicine. While nuclear medicine, while nuclear medicine involve exposure to radiation, the doses are usually low and are carefully regulated to minimize risk. Benefits of these products generally outweigh of the outweigh of the potent- potent- potential risk, especially nuclear medicine can detect disease at an early stage, improving treatment outcomes. Side effects. Uh, most patient experience no side effect from diagnosed nuclear medicine produce procedure, procedures. Some some therapeutic treatment may cause temporary side effects such as fa- fatigue or mild nausea depending on the radioactive material used. Conclusion. Nuclear medicine offers a powerful and vers- versatile tool in the modern healthcare, providing critical insight into the functioning of the organ and tissues is a molecular level. Its ability to detect a disease early, monitor treatment, and offer target therapies makes it a, a cornerstone of both diagnostic and therapeutic medicine.